Shanti Page.
And Ben from Soul Real Estate. We're right across from the beach here at 65 Ungala Road, Blacksmiths.
One of the newest builds in town. This is everything that you've been looking for. Single level, contemporary living, footsteps to the beach. In the best address in town, with rear lane access, you can't go wrong here. Come and be sold.
Future like a sidekick. Baby, you gon' end up right in my bed. Chemistry is science. I could play it cool, but I be lying. Different kind of blue. Starry in the daytime. Found my living proof with you. I might lose. Oh, I'll be one G swinging on my head. Tell your future like a sidekick. Baby, you